Confidence, that's the key.
Ask your seniors.
Consistency.
Focus on basics.
CPI मैटर बहुत करती है.
Just get to know what is your core domain.
Please be aware like whatever like wherever hiring is happening.
I remember one line which was तू शेर है, and that's what made me realize okay हो गया है.
I'm Yogita Singh and I am BTech student in Electronics Engineering Department, and I have been placed in Hilti Technology Solutions India as software development engineer.
So hello everyone, my name is Suyesh Vijay. I am from Civil Engineering and I was hired by Zomato in the role of product analyst.
My name is Ayush Jangir and I am from Mathematics and Computing. मेरा जो placement है वो ओला में लगा and ओला for data science specifically.
I'm Mansi and I'm from 5th year biomedical engineering. Got placed in VMOC. I joined as a product analyst.
Actually, I have two offers, so I chose NVIDIA, and in NVIDIA the role is ASIC design engineer.
Hi, myself Aishwarya Pathe from Mathematics and Computing. I got placed in DShaw.
I am Shlok Patel. I am a final year student of mechanical engineering and I got an offer from Exela as a training analyst domain.
Definitely your communication skills and what you bring to the table and how you present it.
तुम्हारे को रिज्यूमे में जो 4x4 का पेपर मिला हुआ है उसका जितना इफेक्टिवली यूज कर सकते हो उतना करो.
Your positive attitude, how you're approaching to them, the basic approach of how you're telling them what you want to do, what you want to perceive or what you want to convey.
So your communication matters a lot, like your thinking process, like how you think about any new task.
Prepare for the manipulating skills, how you will manipulate the interviewer and convert your interviewer into the offer.
Okay, so I would really like to answer it because I have 9 plus CPI, and for that obviously PYQs is a savior, and be consistent, make notes for the classes in which the professors are teaching with.
तो अपना नॉन कोर वाली चीज़ करते रहो, बट 2 दिन पहले या 3 दिन पहले से अपने एग्ज़ाम के लिए भी पढ़ लो, बिकॉज CPI मैटर बहुत करती है.
Try your best to get the maximum CG maximum score possible because CG is really important.
Solve all the previous year papers, and also if you have a roommate like my friend, then you will get automatically 10 CPI or also get a highest in the next paper because he will teach you all the concepts and will be very crystal and clear.
By exploring, that's really the right answer because you won't know what you like unless you explore everything.
मेजरली एप्टीट्यूड पे थोड़ा सा और काम कर सकता था, तो उससे और ज़्यादा शॉर्टलिस्ट के चांसेस बढ़ सकते थे.
सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होती है प्रैक्टिस. तो जैसे CPI में ले लो, भले मेरा CP नहीं है तो मैं देखा है लोगों को कि नई चीजें पढ़ रहे हैं वो लोग, और जो उन्हें पढ़ा हुआ है उस पर प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हैं.
You should start your interview preparation at least a month or 2 before your actual interviews are coming up because it takes a lot of things. It takes your communication skills, it takes your attitude. You should not be nervous at that time.
You can always avoid the placement process. You can start preparing in your intern session to get the best intern possible and the PPO later on.
Okay, so I think the mock interviews.
Mistakes that a person makes is like avoiding the HR questions, behavioral questions, focusing more on the technical part.
I guess consistency. People are not consistent throughout the process, and in coding you require, this is the most important thing.
Too much of tension.
I think that the overconfidence which people gets that I have done everything and I am the one who should get selected.
One underrated mistake they do make, not utilizing the time they got.
For preparing for SD, I think Striver DSS sheet is good, and solving so many lead code questions and code courses.
Case preparations, guesstimates, वो सब तो common है ही.
केस में सीनियर्स को कांटेक्ट करता था, एंड हर चीज़ के एप्टीट्यूड का कुछ अलग रिसोर्स होगा, मशीन लर्निंग का कुछ अलग रिसोर्स होगा, तो आई थिंक रीचिंग आउट अ सीनियर वुड बी द बेस्ट
In DS, I would definitely say if I go technically, focus on basics first of all. Learn mathematics, I would say. It gives you a way of thinking, especially in data science.
You have to prepare for aptitude, logical reasoning questions, verbal questions from. You can see any other YouTube channels like Roda and also. So they will comfortably prepare yourself in coding aptitude.
When you get shortlisted for an interview, just connect to the person who are already working there, जो seniors last year place हुए थे.
कनेक्ट ओवर व्हाट्सएप एज वेल, जहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे क्रॉस हुए ग्रुप्स होते हैं काफ़ी सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स के, तो यू फाइंड सिमिलर पीपल देयर कि कोई बंदा इसी कंपनी में सॉर्ट हुआ है, तो यू कैन फाइंड कि उससे इंटरव्यू में क्या पूछा था. तो बेसिकली सोशल मीडिया को इस टाइप से यूज़ किया जा सकता है.
ट्विटर है, तो ट्विटर पे फॉर सम रीज़न लिंक्डइन से ज़्यादा अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दिखती हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे रिसर्चर्स जो हैं वो रेगुलरली पोस्ट हो रही होती हैं. लिंक्डइन पे थोड़ा PR वाला काम ज़्यादा हो रहा होता है.
Like one basic professional platform is LinkedIn, where you can keep track of all the job offers. Apart from that, there are various Telegram groups, also WhatsApp channels. One should keep track of them, like there are new job offers are posted.
Follow your passion and explore as much as you can.
They also advise to keep a high CPI so that companies don't remove you from their list just because you have a low CPI.
तो उन्होंने सिर्फ मेरे को एक लाइन बोली, is it just 0 and 1, how hard it could be.
Two things which my senior told me to focus on. First, be thorough with each and every detail of your resume. You should know each and every single thing you have written in your resume. That is the first and foremost step.
That confidence is the key. Like everyone will prepare at their best level for this placement process, but how you portray them, that decides by your confidence, and confidence is the key.
The best tip I got from my senior is stay consistent and follow the resources.
Okay, so I was actively participating in so many co-curricular activities like sports and dramatics, so I think that made me stand out.
I'd say my internships, like I mentioned 3 internships in my resume. But after you have learned that, try making something of your own, so it will help you stand out.
Like I used to play basketball for college, so that was a thing. I am a sports person and also managing my civil engineering with this coding thing.
I listen to songs,
What kind of song?
like motivational songs.
I used to play a lot of cricket on daily basis.
To relax my mind, I like to play Sudoku and like to play puzzle games. Hanging out once a week just to relax myself, playing chess.
Going with your friends outside and also visit some unique places.
My father got emotional when I told this about placement.
बहुत खुश हुए हो, लाइक कि आई कांट टेल कि वो कितना खुशी वाला मोमेंट था.
I remember one line which was तू शेर है, and that's what made me realize okay हो गया है, and that was from a very close friend.
I called him, फिर पापा हो गया है, बोला ठीक है, अभी दोस्तों को करवाओ.
I called my parents. They were so happy. Like I said, yeah, I got job finally.
Like I have called to my mother and say I got an offer from the Excella, and she was saying that मुझे पता ही था कि आज कुछ अच्छा ही होने वाला है, और उसने बोला बढ़िया है, मतलब सही है, आओ तुम कब आ रहे हो, ऐसा करके.